This looks like we're just destroying this. Good. Oh my god.
Good.
We're ripping the front thing off.
That's what we need to do.
I don't know, protect your eyes. Okay, so friend, your radio is never coming out.
No, it's coming out. That's how we need to do it. It was that fat nigga that did it all. Right on. So here you go. Oh!
You twat! What? He just locked it back in place. Quasi. Well, might as well put it back on. Paul and ruin the radio.
Fuck! Willie! It's all your fault. Yep. That's exactly what it is.
Stop! That could still work.
Not after Josh is done.
Okay, pull.
Josh, stop.
Josh, fucking help me! With this!
Jesus Christ, man. I'm about to give. Ah! This thing is not budging. It's eating Poland's hand! We have to go to the hospital.
I'll drive!
Hospital.
I'll drive.
I'll drive to hospital.
Hospital.
Hot patrol.
Hot moms on patrol.
Horse porn.
Pretty sure
Yes,
lots of
that's
sex
my
is
favorite.
on. Have you ever actually watched horse porn? I once watched Two Men, One Horse, where the guy gets
You got a
stuck to death by the
massive
horse.
erection.
He doesn't actually
Hey, Quasi! Hey! Hanukkah!
Hey!
No, Mazel Tov.
Hey!
Okay, let's play some music.
See? Fuck you, Tom! If you're watching this, you useless fuck.
What did Tom say? You can't take that radio out.
You're fucked. Buy a new car. Why'd you buy this car?
Here, Marty.
Why'd you all buy this car? It sucked.
Yeah. Fuck you, Tom. Why'd you decide to open a radio
No,
business?
I want it straight. I need it.
Now they're not
I
coming
need
out.
it straight.
You know, cool you.
You want my dick straight,
Stop.
too?
This could be an actual vlog if you just don't mention the drinking.
Yeah, fuck.
I have beer in my hand.
No, you don't.
We're just
That's not
joking.
alcoholic.
We're not actually drinking.
No, this cannot be a vlog.
No one's actually drinking. At all times.
Lots of iced tea, babe. Babe.
You know how pulling is with iced tea.
With lots of iced tea.
Iced tea.
Iced tea.
No, it's all corroded.
I did that. No, I
I'm sure it
didn't.
wasn't the Asian man who had this before.
Hey, that's racist.
Can you stop throwing
No,
that
I
at me
love
before I
racist
put it
stuff.
through your
I
face?
can't get this off. It's not coming out.
Cut the
Okay,
wires.
got it.
Ooh, fly. Ooh. We'll get better lighting over there,
Yeah,
too.
Paul's starting it.
Sounds funny.
Dude, we have radio
He's
keys.
got the key.
We have a radio
No,
key.
you're gonna break the ignition.
Yeah.
I'll break your ignition.
Ooh,
my
is that
dick.
better or promise?
Fuck! Can you pull that out? Pull that off. Is it? I just got it.
Throw it. Just throw it.
Your fucking bottle cap went down there and this thing won't close now.
That's not my fault.
That is your
you
fucking
opened it.
Dude, it was open. I went to go close it. You fucking tool.
He opens this and blames it on
I didn't
me.
open. It was open
Pulling,
already.
would you rather suck 10 cocks or get one in the ass?
I'd
suck.
I'd fuck one.
I'm
They
taking 5
actually
minutes.
say the male G-spot is in the butt.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might actually not feel bad. Oh, I don't want to. Fuck off.
It might actually not feel bad. I think it's gonna feel pretty bad, but I can tolerate it. Is what I'm trying to get at. Or he's like, you know what? I think I might try it.
Maybe
It might feel good.
This?
No.
Hello, little boy. You a whole bunch of wires.
We need electrical tape.
We need a electrical tape, little boy.
Scalpel.
Because this is funny because I was like this and Paul was like, ooh, that's nice. He's like, oh, what are you doing? And I'm like, I got this scalper.
Put this around your dick.
It's a choker
And
for your
then-
cock.
Jerked off.
We really need some electrical tape. Have you had anything to drink tonight? No, officer. License and registration, please. The
Beer bottle falls out.
Pulling me, old man up in like the Rocky Mountains fighting over his gold, my precious gold.
Oh, get off my land!
Fat puss fucker. Does that not mean?
Tell me if this is sticky or not.
I did so much coke. Drinking for the last 3 days.
And I'll be like, boy,
No,
you got my
that's why.
heartbeat running away. Being like a drunk.
The way I see it is you're already drunk.
Those are the only words I know that when I drink since.
When I drink.
He's already wasted.
I'm a bigger lightweight than pulling, little did you know?
Whoa. This straight to the bed.
I love when you like slam your head back.
Negative front left.
Oh, diddly.
You can drink the whole can. Yes, you can.
Are you talking to the can? Yes, you can.
You can.
You the can.
You Buchanan.
No, you the can.
No, you the king.
Guys,
She want it all. She want it all. She working hard for the money. She want it all. She want it all.
Settings.
No.
You fucked up. You fucked up. Let me do it. You're fucking ham. Yo, you got the scalp out. The scalper.